Introducing OpenAI ChatGPT, the next generation chatbot AI. ChatGPT is a state of the art language processing system developed by the team at OpenAI. It's designed to be able to hold natural, engaging conversations with humans on a wide range of topics. One of the key features of ChatGPT is its ability to understand and respond to the context. This means that it can keep track of the conversation and provide appropriate responses even in long and complex discussions. In addition, ChatGPT has been trained on a massive amount of data, which allows it to produce highly accurate and natural sounding responses. How we use ChatGPT. Actually, generate a Google ad about OpenAI ChatGPT. In order to use it, you will just have to sign up. The link will be given in the description down below. You will be able to get right here very easily using the link. You will have to navigate right here and enter whatever you are looking for. And there you go, we have our answer. It gave me a very accurate and engaging Google ad about ChatGPT. Similarly, I can now write a promotional tweet. And now we have a promotional tweet ready. ChatGPT generates answers in seconds and helps us save a lot of time and money as well, because we will be able to generate scripts and even write codes using ChatGPT. Benefits of ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a large language model trained by OpenAI that is designed to generate human like text. ChatGPT can generate human like responses to natural language input, making it useful for applications such as customer service or conversational agents. Because it is trained on a large amount of text, ChatGPT has a broad range of knowledge and can respond to a wide range of topics. From complex equations to very simple questions, ChatGPT will give you the right answer. It is a machine learning model, which means it can improve over time as it is exposed to more data and feedback. This allows it to continue learning and become more accurate and responsive over time. The link for ChatGPT is given in the description down below. You can go ahead and check it out right now.